Hi everyone, I recently borrowed a wonderful book from the library and found it so inspiring that I decided to dive into the watercolor exercise and share the journey with you. This series will guide you through the different watercolor subjects, helping us improve our skill together. The video I'm going to make is featuring a new subject, and today marks the beginning of the creative adventure. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to upload more video from this series so we can practice and grow side by side. So today's topic is about flowers, as you can see. We also explore fruits, plants, animals, and even people as we progress. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, the lesson is for you. So grab your brush and paint, and let's get started. You would need like a medium size of round brush and also a small round brush, a watercolor paper, and the paints you need is red, 2 shades of green, brown, and I have white just in case I want to add some shades in it. So I prefer to make a pink one. I just added some white, and here we are. With your medium size brush, just make like a round circle. And make another one here, and just make small shape of. That's it. I'm just going to make this one bigger. It depends on your paper size, of course. Yeah, like a bigger flower. I think that's a nice size. And then I'm going, as the book says, to make another flower here. And using my smaller round brush, make a little flower here. You don't need to be fussy about it. Just enjoy the process. Add a bit of different shape. I just added a bit more yellow. Sorry. Added a bit more red. I'm still making my flowers bigger. Maybe a bit of this one. Yeah. Okay. So now we let it to dry. Let's add some leaves here. With the small round brush, go easy, and then a bit more pressure, and then go easy again. Maybe one more here. One here. I'm just going to add a bit of yellow into it because I like that way better. While it's wet, add a bit of yellow. Be very gentle.